Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied a ORM method which is create method and how do we implement create method in our custom module for Odoo 19. In today's lecture, we will study another ORM method which is a very small topic which is basically a write method. What write method is and what is the use case of the write method in Odoo 19 for our custom module. So as you can see, I am in my library management module. Now, what is write method? So write method is basically updating your particular record. For example, you can see there are various records. Now, if I go to any of the record and if I change any of the values and click on save, the write method is getting triggered. Now, how do we implement such functionality from backend? So in UI, you have to simply just save the field. But in the backend, it is triggering the write method only. Write method is similar to the create method, but the only difference is that write method returns boolean value, and whenever the record first is created, create method will be get called. Write method is not called when the record is created for the first time. After created the record, every time you change or any update the value of the record, the write method is getting called. Now let's just create our own write method for better understanding with a certain example. So currently I have already set the entire records to the read only in our previous lecture. So what I'll do, I'll simply go to the code and add a write method to add a particular name of the particular form. So let's go to the code. Here you can see I am already in the library.books model and I have already set the browse and create method in previous lecture. So what I'll do, I'll simply here we have already set the browse method. I will simply add, and also remember guys, for write method you need a particular value to be added to a particular record, and for the particular write method you need the ID of the record as well. So in order to minimize the time, we are already using the browse method and which is fetching the ID. Now what I'll do after getting that ID, see in books.name, which is in which we have got the ID of the record. I will simply write. The ORM method is write, and like similar to the create method, we have to add the value in a dictionary form. And what I'll do, I'll simply add a field which I want to update. For example, let's say I want to update this author field. So I'll simply copy that, paste it here, and just add a static value for currently demonstration purpose. Let's say new author write. Then simply I'll just leave it here. What I have done, I have simply get the ID from the browse method from the previous lecture. Then I have used that ID to update that particular record. First we get the ID, then from that ID we will update that record. And in that I want to update this particular field, so I am adding just this field. After writing the record, it will return a boolean value, which means if the write will be successful, it will send true, or else it will send false. Now let's see what happens. Now I'll simply restart my server, go to the browser, simply refresh my browser, and currently you can see I am in this particular record. Now what I'll do, I'll simply click on the browse button, which is basically triggering this particular method. So I'll simply click here, browse, and on clicking on browse, you can see the author name is set to the static value which we have set here. Why? Because we are triggering the write method. And how does the Odoo knows that which particular record to update? From the ID we are fetching with the help of browse method. So it can be helpful when you have a particular ID in your DB which you need to update via backend, you can use the write method. You can add multiple records as well as per your requirement. So I hope this small write ORM method had been understood by you. It is a very small and basic ORM method which you can use to update the records. But remember, you need the ID first. So I hope this small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.